Welcome to Agency Dashboard. In this video, we will be exploring our live keyword tracking feature. Here, you can add new keywords to track, delete existing keywords, update keyword details, refresh the live rank of listed keywords, download all data in Excel, mark important keywords as favorite, download the PDF file under white label branding, and add tags to segment your keywords based on location, service, etc. Next, let's take a look at the keyword rankings. Here you can see the list of your keywords followed by their start ranking position in Google, the Google Page and SERP position where your keyword is currently ranking, and the change in rankings in the last 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, and lifetime. You can also see the competition, monthly search volume of keywords, the date on which the keywords were added, and the ranking URL of the current keyword. You can choose to track keywords for a specific URL or overall domain. You can select multiple keywords and take action from the Actions tab. In front of keyword listing, there are 3 more action icons. The first is to mark any particular keyword as favorite. The second is to see historical rankings in a small folding graph. And the third icon is called Spyglass, which takes you to live results for the keyword on Google.com itself. And that's it for our live keyword tracking feature. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.